I put my arm around you? All right.
Let's get your other arm in. I'll hook you up. Come on.
It's true. It's my grandma. It's true.
Got it?
Yeah. I know. Isn't it crazy? That's my husband. Yay! Thank you so much.
Of course.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
You need a helmet, honey.
We got him.
We got
him.
I forgot her coat. Oh, they put one on her. She's got to be in a Harley. But they put one on her.
We're gonna put your helmet on you, so hold your glasses in place.
Let's see if we can get this one on you. Is that too tight, too loose? Is that okay? That's the one we want then.
I do remember she
I talked about you guys talking about each other.
No, I remember.
I said yes to that.
Thanks. As soon as we come on, take care.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
One and all, I thank you, and God bless you all.
Absolutely. Let me get on there and we'll see if we can't get you on there right behind me.
Okay.
I'm giving up my seat for
Oh, she's not gonna go anywhere. Believe me, she'll be in there nice and tight when I sit down and run back. There we go.
Are you on?
There you go.
There we go.
Hey, we'll do it every year. Yes, I will be back next year to give you another ride. Heck yeah. I certainly will. We're all coming back. We're all coming back.
I've heard it, right?
This one's not so bad. It's pretty good. Run your fingers through it.
We will do this again.
Thank you so much.
Of course. My pleasure. My pleasure. Like I said, we'll come back next year and do it all over again.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Velma. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
You are more than welcome.
They want to hear the Ford song. Oh, give me a Ford.
Oh, give me a Ford, great big Ford with a rumble seat for two, and I will wahoo, wahoo, wahoo.
You guys are killing it.
My oldest brother had a motorcycle with a sidecar.